Welcome back. Today we're diving into a natural remedy that's been used for centuries, honey. That golden liquid that brightens up your tea and toast. It's also a powerhouse for soothing coughs. Before you reach for another over-the-counter medication, let's explore why honey might be the natural cough remedy you've been searching for. Let's get right to it. So what makes honey such a potent cough soother? It's all about the unique blend of bioactive compounds. We're talking antioxidants, antimicrobial agents, and anti-inflammatory substances, all working together to tackle those pesky cough symptoms. Honey's anti-inflammatory superpowers calm throat irritation, reducing painful coughing fits. Its antimicrobial properties fight off bacteria and viruses that might be contributing to your cough. Honey gently coats and soothes the throat, providing immediate relief from that scratchy, uncomfortable feeling. Is there any science to back this up? Absolutely. Numerous studies have investigated honey's effectiveness in treating coughs. One study found that honey was more effective than a common cough suppressant in reducing nighttime coughs and improving sleep quality in children. Research also shows honey can benefit adults with acute coughs, helping to reduce cough frequency and severity. Not all honey is created equal. Different varieties boast unique properties and flavors. Manuka honey, sourced from New Zealand, is prized for its potent antibacterial properties. Buckwheat honey, with its distinct molasses-like flavor, is packed with antioxidants, making it a powerful choice for reducing inflammation. Raw honey retains all of its natural enzymes and nutrients, providing a potent boost to your immune system. Choose the one that suits your taste and needs best. Now, let's dive into the practical stuff. How to use honey for cough relief. One of the simplest methods is the classic honey and warm water. Add a spoonful to a cup of warm water and stir. This soothing elixir helps thin mucus and coats the throat. Try adding a squeeze of lemon for its vitamin C boost, or ginger and turmeric for their additional benefits. These combinations can enhance honey's effectiveness in soothing your cough. While honey is generally safe, there are a few exceptions. Honey should never be given to children under the age of 1 due to the risk of botulism. If you have a known allergy to bee products, avoid honey. Individuals with diabetes should use honey in moderation and consult with their healthcare provider. Always monitor your blood sugar levels carefully. Remember, honey can be a fantastic natural remedy for coughs, but it's not a cure-all. If your cough is persistent, severe, or accompanied by other symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Think of honey as a supportive friend on your journey to feeling better, not the sole solution. There you have it. Honey, a natural cough remedy that's been around for centuries. While honey can be a great natural remedy for coughs, consult with a healthcare provider if your symptoms persist or worsen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.